If you are a teacher and using Microsoft Teams to teach students online, or you are just using Microsoft Teams in general, you might want to prevent participants from booting or muting other participants in the meeting. Fortunately, you can easily do that, and here's how. Launch first the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop and join the meeting you have set up, or you can just make a new meeting. Then, you have to go to the meeting options by clicking More to open the drop-down menu and select Meeting Options. For the settings on the right pane, select the option Who can present and then choose the Only Me option. Now what this will do is all the other meeting participants will be automatically designated as an attendee, and this will allow you to mute all students and have more control over the meeting. So once you're done doing that, click Save to save the changes. And now, everything's updated before the meeting starts. And that's it for today's video. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you would like to see more tutorials like this.